Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here from YouTube, and in today's video, it's going to be a little bit different in case you're used to watching this channel. I am not in my studio right now, so I did put up this little picture of myself here. July 15th, I went on vacation to the wilderness, all that stuff. It was awesome, like no cell phone signals, no internet barely. It was just perfect. I wanted to unplug. Went up there for a week, came back early so I could catch a wedding last weekend, and boom. What happens? I catch the coronavirus from the wedding, at least I think. So with that said, it's been a rough week. I've been like 104 temps at times. Today was the first day that I'm starting to kind of feel like myself. I haven't had to take any medicine in the last 36 hours approximately. So I am happy, folks. I am happy to get back into the swing of things. Of course, ICP, folks, has been making some great headlines here. $9.25. I could have sworn I saw $9.80. Let's get into this at a super high level. Because we do have a falling wedge on the charts. Now, this is something I've been talking about for months and months on end. So there is that. This is no surprise to me that ICP is starting to kind of turn around and make a little bit of a run. Assuming that this is the bottom, hopefully it is. I mean, there's just crazy stuff going on with ICP right now and their Bitcoin integration, where you'll be able to control Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network from internet computers. So it eliminates the bridges, which always get hacked, increasing security. With that said, when we go and throw up a little Fibonacci from this little known resistance point at about $87 down to this presumed low point right now, at about $4.66, somewhere in there, we get this Fibonacci extension. Excuse me if my voice sounds weird or anything like that. I am battling coronavirus, of course, right? So I'm thinking that we might see ICP run up to about this $23.94-ish level. This is going to get very interesting, to say the least, and it is climbing vertically. So this is definitely mooning, and really this was a very nice support level somewhere in here. This $23 level range, it was a very significant resistance level, It came down, tried once, tried twice, tried three times. We got the triple tops here, and price fell. So with that said, folks, I've been saying this a lot the last few months on ICP, really. And people have been calling me crazy. But there is this chance that we might see some sort of inverse head and shoulders on this. People are starting to wake up about what exactly happened with ICP and their launch. They're starting to wake up and realize that there was a lot of bad actors involved in taking down Internet Computer from day one of their launch. FTX, Alameda, billionaires. We've got the frauds over at Arkham Intelligence. And if you guys are new to ICP and you're just looking at this chart and it's scaring you for the first time, basically, I want you to Google Crypto Leaks ICP. Read the Crypto Leaks articles, things like that. When I was kind of talking about that $23, $24-ish price target, when we look at that on the weekly chart, we can see that there is this 50 moving average. And I do think that if price continues to pump, we will likely see this 50 moving average and this 23.6 kind of act as this little checkpoint. So price might come up to right around these levels. If it can break through, great. If it can't, it is what it is. Let's just look at this on a 4-day chart, see if we can pull up a 200 moving average. We cannot. Let's look at this on a 2-day. Okay, so we do have a 200 moving average here as well. Excuse me. Sorry, folks, I had to cough really quick. And this could be where we get a little bit of resistance here, right along this $23, $24-ish level. But I do think that if we can see price action break through this $23-ish level, there could be a chance we could start to see prices come up to the $50, $68 level, $107, $135 dollar-ish levels with ICP. So it is what it is. Right now, there is this want. I want to say this is a want for a spectacular inverse head and shoulders that could just see ICP head off to the races, maybe sometime, soon, within the next year. Not financial or trading advice or anything like that. Also, if you're going to buy ICP, I highly recommend that you do not keep it on any of the exchanges. You keep it in some sort of secure cold wallet or something like that. So what do we got going on here? Let's just look at the 4-hour chart here. You guys can see how price is mooning here. I do think that we may see a little bit of a retracement back down towards this cloud. Somewhere in there, but we have seen ICP hit $9.81. So this is pretty big. I'll say that much right now. You could also make the argument that, hey, maybe there was some sort of cup and handle here that did form, and the price just kind of shot off from there. It is what it is, folks. Price is mooning. People are starting to wake up. They're realizing that, hey, maybe ICP isn't a scam after all, and we were just played like suckers. So it is what it is, and here we are, reaping all the benefits for right now. Right now, let's just look at ICP on the daily, because this is very important that you see this. Right now, ICP has closed one candle already, open and closed a candle above the Ichimoku cloud. We're about to do it for the second time because this candle closes in an hour and 40 minutes. But the last time this happened was September of 2021. So this was the last time we had an open and closed candle above the Ichimoku cloud on the daily. So this is huge, and I'm hoping that once we see price kind of come up to this $15, $16-ish level, I'm hoping that we go up on and test that $23, $24, $25-ish level. But $10 is going to be the hurdle to get over for now. If you do see a little bit of a retracement, there could be also one other scenario that is playing out. There might be some sort of cup and handle that could happen going into August. There could also be some sort of ascending triangle that is forming out, something like this, where we see prices kind of react like that. So I hope I can get back into my YouTube studio to crank out some content for you guys a little bit, sooner than I hope. But right now, this video is running 10 minutes. My voice is starting to kind of get a little weird. So I hope you guys enjoy ICP, stuff like that, the price, the markets. Is this a bull trap? Man, I don't know. We'll see what happens. But until next time, I'll try to put out another video tomorrow.